You guys, we're doing a pink room tour today. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to Isada's Tech, where we do tech in your life, in style, and in kitty ears. We're at the Razer booth today, and as you can see, I'm in Vegas for CES 2022. And of course, what do I check out? Their pink quartz room. So in this video, we're just gonna look at the fun stuff they have in this pink setup, because as you guys know, I love looking at everything through rose-colored glasses. Let's go.
We start off with something that pulls the whole look of the room together. This is the Team Razer rug. It's a Razer.com exclusive and it comes in pink. It's anti-slip. Really cute. This pretty thing is the Razer ENKI and it's built for all-day comfort. It also comes with the memory foam pillow. Most importantly,
this chair is comfy and like I could last a long time on this. We have these monitors and we have the Razer Quartz background. It's pretty cool. I love
both of these are Razer Raptors. They're very sleek gaming monitors, and up here we have the Razer KITO Pro, perfect for streamers.
But what's really cool too is how these are all lit up underneath.
Coming up, the Razer Viper Ultimate with a charging dock.
It's so light, it's pink and RGB, baby. The charging dock for this. Also cute lights, and that looks nice, doesn't it?
This is the Razer SEIREN Mini.
I have another version of this mic because as you guys know, if you watch my channel, I've done a pink cutesy aesthetic test setup, and well, this just fit in perfectly. Joshua got me that mic, and this is the newer mini SEIREN. We have keyboard, RGB, you have your wrist guard, little Razer logo down there, and of course you have this mat.
The BLACKWIDOW V3, again in quartz with green mechanical switches and also RGB. Oh, and the desk mat, it's also pink and RGB. It's just not lit up in the video.
This is so cute. We should have done the intro like this. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to Isada's Tech, where we do tech in your life, in style, and in kitty ears. That works, right?
This is the KRAKEN Kitty headset, arguably one of Razer's cutest headsets, and it comes with this base station.
And also, this whole lighting situation they got going, I need this in my life. Of course, we have a pink laptop over here. Now, it looks pink because of the light, but it actually is pink. I'm not sure if I can unplug it, but I just did. But look at it on. Look at how nice that is. Very sleek too. Honestly, one of the things I love about Razer is how they just make these really nice colorways, aka the quartz line, which I love.
This, folks, is the Razer book in quartz, and let me reiterate, it doesn't only look good, it is good.
That's it for today, you guys. All other info on the stuff that I just showed you, I'll be linking in the description box below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what things you want from this room tour. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And I'll also be putting out more fun content from CES 2022. See you!